So today I'm gonna plastic dip the wheels to see how they will look if they're black. I need to first mask it off and then work on it. So I did the first coat, light coat. You can see it's still showing paint. New springs, they're red. I also need to change all the suspension stuff, but for this year, watersy and other stuff, it's gonna be it. Also, I need to remove the strip, and also I need to clean this black shit off. I also need the plug for the wiper delete, and I need to polish it and stuff. The interiors almost done. It's getting along, and I also need to delete the FM antenna. I don't need that shit. Dirt coat. So I painted the wheel. I also fucked up this. I don't know why, but for now looks like okay for tasting. And then I'm going to peel it off. But now I peeled it off because I'm gonna professionally paint them. They do rub a little, as you can see here. They're rubbing, so I need to bash out the arch a little bit. The wheels are 15 7.5 wide, and the tires are 195 15. Yep. I also changed the blinkers to black ones. They're better. I removed the antenna. It was shot, so I'm gonna do some delete kit. I found the perfect donor for the antenna delete kit. It's this. I'm gonna paint it black. Now it's debadged. How it looks, it's better. I'm gonna probably just put the sticker on and don't care. And also I need to remove these stickers. I don't like Volkswagen stickers on it. It's better if it's Skoda. Only what I need to do is to remove the fucking flies from my cluster, and that's it. The last thing I want to show you is we deleted the fumes filter, which is skepu. Just clean it up and stuff. I tried here to clean it up. It's coming along, but I need more.
Wow, what a sound. The engine is louder than the exhaust. Here we have one fat cat. Leicester, Germany. You can still see the shit. Yeah. We need a hole through there. Like a real big hole.
And now we're gonna taste the open headers.
Oh yeah. Smoke. Time to decad this shit. Oh my god. Yeah. Power. Professional decad techniques. That's a lot of damage. Here we go. We have the cat decad on. Sound time. Is there gonna be a difference? much of a difference. It's decatted. I guess it's so much faster or whatever. Just a nice little cruise. Decatted Skoda power. It's so much faster.
Not really.
It was fast to begin with. What the fuck? Oh yeah, we're fueling this bitch up.
Oh yeah, car parts. Check out this box. Oh my god, it's so big. Purpose. A lot of other purpose, but this is one. So this is sport exhaust for my Skoda. I'm under the car. I need to loosen these two bolts. They're rusty as fuck, and then the whole back comes out.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
That's an exhaust. Bish?
Not really. It's so heavy.
What a clean cut.
It's so heavy. No, look. Try this. How heavy it is. And then the new one. Then try the new one. It's fucking like... Way to action, man.
Yeah. Finally we got the stupid exhaust off.
It's so rusty.
Quite rusty, so we get to like cut it here and open it up because it seized up for sure. It wouldn't come off. And we got the brand new one. Fits perfectly onto this. Now we're gonna clean it up. Slam this back on that bitch. And then we're gonna install it on the car.
So first we need to install
this part on the car, then that one on, because
because
otherwise
of
we'll need
the
to.
suspension.
But yeah, look at this hack job of exhaust weld. Install is complete. We have fresh exhaust tightened in the rear. A real JDM blast pipe. It fits very well on the hangers, on the whole everything. So it's good. Now we're gonna lower it, and of course we're gonna start it. That's why we're doing this. We are ready for launch.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's pretty good, but it has like an exhaust leak, probably burdened by the center muffler, which we showed earlier. The welds are kind of shit, so that would need welding, but otherwise it's pretty good. Test drive.
It's like nothing.
And it probably has to like, it has to warm up a few times also, so all the shit gets burnt out, and when the engine's gonna be real warm, so we can hear some power.
Another try. First. Second. It's okay.
Yeah.
For what's the money?
It's like almost free for an exhaust. Ooh, backfire! Ooh. Yes, she's warm! Ooh. Oh, flames! There was a flame! What the fuck? There was a flame! It was like that long. What the fuck? Yeah, it's good. It shoots flames, it's good.
Yes!